Hello po, good day. Bali, this is your PS Vita 32 gig memory card. Ito yung official. So, format ko lang. Pakita ko lang na it's an external official memory card. Format lang natin siya. And it's able to be formatted. Pakita ko lang na nakikita siya and nadedetect siya sa PS Vita unit mismo. Okay. So, right now, walang naka-mount na storage. So, i-mount ko siya. I'll mount XMCO. There. 352 KB used, 29.97 gig ang storage size. Okay, so this is 32 gig. I-check ko lang po yung memory card. Turn off ko lang yung Vita. Okay. This is the rare 32 gig Sony PS Vita official memory card. Right? So, ready na po ito. Pawait na lang po ng inyong tracking information to update. Okay? Thank you.